Shandong Lanjing Building and Construction Company Limited is a leading manufacturer and exporter specializing in steel structure construction and prefabricated container houses. We provide comprehensive one-stop services and customized solutions including project consultation, R&D, design, manufacturing installation guidance, supervision and after-sales support for international projects. Our expertise lies in constructing high-quality steel structures such as warehouses, workshops, exhibition halls, commercial complexes, parking lots, multi-story and high-rise buildings as well as high-end composite panels. Additionally, we offer a wide range of temporary construction prefabricated houses, including container houses and prefab houses which are commonly used in labor camps, worker dormitories, on-site offices, shower containers, and restroom facilities. Headquartered in Weifang, China with a factory area exceeding 73,000 square meters, the company has obtained ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification as well as certifications from BV, SGS and other international bodies. The company is a member of the China Steel Structure Association, standing member of the China Construction Metal Structure Association and a member of the China International Chamber of Commerce. The company operates 3 steel structure processing lines, 2 modular container housing production lines and 2 high-end composite panel production lines with an annual production capacity of 20,000 tons of steel structures, 10,000 sets of modular container houses and 200,000 square meters of high-end composite panels. The company boasts a team of specialized design and construction technicians along with an excellent management team, currently employing over 80 professionals. The company places significant emphasis on product development and design, leveraging both domestic and international steel structure design and detailing software. The technical team is capable of meeting various design requirements for steel structure products. The company's products have been exported to over 60 countries and regions, successfully completing more than 100 projects across diverse industries. We provide time-tested steel building solutions to clients in sectors such as infrastructure and construction projects, oil and gas, mining, energy, healthcare, livestock and market-proven steel structure. Our commitment to professional service has earned us an excellent reputation. Adhering to the corporate philosophy of sincerity, professionalism, efficiency, and mutual benefit, we warmly welcome global partners to visit and collaborate with us.